Hi, this is Debbie from Organic Oasis. I just came in with a huge harvest of green beans from my organic garden, and I'm prepping them for putting them in the freezer. I'll be using a couple pounds of them tonight for dinner, and then I'll be freezing the rest. Let me show you how I do that. Okay, I'm done with that. Here's my beans. Aren't they beautiful? And here's the ends. They're gonna go out to my compost. So I have my green beans all prepped from my garden, and I'm cooking them. I'm doing a stir fry tonight with some chicken and tomatoes from our garden. And the rest of the green beans, which is about close to a pound, is gonna be, I had washed them, I prepped them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and seal them and vacuum seal them in my food saver. It's now finished vacuuming and it's sealing it. Okay, so here they are, and I'm gonna put this in the freezer. And the thing is I don't blanch these, and I know most of the time they tell you have to blanch fresh green beans to preserve them. I just do this. I just wash them, I prep them, and I food save them. The color will keep. There's no air in here. The color will be perfect when I take them out. Usually I just throw them frozen into my soups and my stews and anything that I'm doing in the crock pot. And they turn out beautifully tender, delicious, and nutritious. And it saves me a whole bunch of time and saves me a whole step of having to blanch them.